Third one, write a Python program to convert a tuple into a string. Okay, to tuple to a string. So we have to write a Python program to convert a tuple to a string. Okay, so tuple to a string. So we have seen in a list that converting list to a string. Similar thing here also, same thing. Just we have to use map and join function, both functions. If you use both functions, easily you can convert tuple to a string. Okay, we'll see with an example this one. First, you enter normal tuple here. Just print that one tuple top here. Okay, and there is a suppose str is equal to dot as a dot join function. Join function returns it will combine elements of the tuple. Okay, it will add the elements together. Okay, if there are three elements are there, the three elements will add together. Okay, and the join function. Okay, join function takes the map object here. Map function takes two arguments. First argument is the which data type you want to convert. I want to convert to string. If you want to convert to int, you can write int here. Okay, and also which object. Okay, tuple here. Okay, tuple. You want to convert this tuple to string here. Okay, simple. Two arguments map function takes. It converts the tuple to string, and join method joins the all the elements in a tuple into one single element. Okay, so print str print string here. And if you want to know the type option, just you have to use type function here. Okay, type str. Okay, simple. We want to know the which type it is. Okay, so we are converting tuple to string here. This program out. Okay, to convert tuple to string, you have to use the join and function in the map function. Okay, if you practice earlier list function, it is easy here. Okay, simple. You can understand easily. So enter tuple uh, a comma b comma c. Okay, observe three strings I am entering here: a comma b comma c. Enter. Observe here. See ABC. It convert into single individual string. Okay, three different string into one string here. Okay, observe join using join function. Okay, join function converts individual elements into a single element. Okay, simple. And type of string here, class string here. Okay, this string here. Observe. Okay, simple converting. You can convert list also same like this one. Okay, string comma list same we have seen in the earlier program. You can convert this list to one string one tuple to string whatever. Okay,